Okay, so what I'm going to try to demonstrate is my ball technique and teaching you how to get the proper lean. And this is actually adapted from track and field sprinters. And the idea is you're going to sit on the stability ball and basically roll forward until you basically catch yourself. And as it's been described to me in track and field sprinting, you're basically falling. Well, technically any fast running, you're basically falling and catching yourself. And that's the kind of idea is with standing starts. Is what I see is there's basically a wall that people cannot get past. It's almost a vertical line from the steer straight up. It's rarely in front of that. It's just kind of funny because people can stop because they're not used to leaning forward. And so this is what I'm talking about. So you want to set the ball up. Let me get to the far end of the frame. Ooh, I can pump this thing up. And what you want to do is roll. And hopefully you can see that. I can slow it down. But you just want to fall forward until you roll. And as I notice it there, it's basically that kind of an angle, 45-degree angle, which is optimal. Any much between 45 maybe 30 degrees, because then you're pulling up. It's not ramrod straight, not totally forward, but this. So again, you want to go from here and just fall forward and get used to that momentum falling forward. Hopefully that helps. Oh, and so the last thing I'll say when I say hopefully helps, the problem is you don't, unless you have someone hold you, holding the bike and having them fall on you, which is probably the best way of doing it. This way you can do it on your own without having to have a standing start gate and a human being literally ready to catch you. That's probably the best way, but this way it's that falling forward that I think people just aren't comfortable doing. So there you go.